Hi guys, so how to fix Facebook Messenger not working? First thing guys, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is very simple. Wait a few seconds and then scroll all the way down until you find the messenger right here. When you find it, just click on it easily like this. Click on force stop and then go to the data usage and disable the Wi-Fi and enable it. Go back, click on the storage, click on clear cache and clear data. And the last thing you want to do is go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, search for Messenger and update it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.